Hi friends, Kurumzari. Today I am going to share the recipe of Bokchoy mushroom stir fry in Chinese style. This nutritious vegetarian dish is easy and quick to make. It can be best served hot as a side dish to rice and noodles. If you like this video and new, please do subscribe the channel and don't forget to like, comment and share. So let's begin. These are the list of ingredients. You will find this in the description box as well. The veggies have been thoroughly washed and dried a few minutes earlier. Now let's chop the vegetables. Let's trim the tip of the mushroom stem first, as they are often woody and at times dirty even after many washes. Then chop it up into thin slices. Chop green onion leaves into about half to 1 inch length and its bulb into round shape with slanting cut. Similarly, chop green chilli in the same way as onion bulbs. This is bokchoy, also known as Chinese cabbage. I am going to chop the very end of the stem, in fact half an inch above it. Throw this part away, it is of no use. Now let's remove each and every leaves from the stalk until you get a baby bokchoy like this. As you can see, this is sand which is still trapped inside in between the leaves in spite of the wash. So I would suggest you to wash these leafy greens again for a second time after chopping to make sure they are clean enough. After aligning all the leaves, let's slice it along the length like this. Then chop it up into pieces. You can keep it longer or shorter as per your wish. I am keeping it to bite-sized pieces for this bigger size bokchoy. This inner portion I will be chopping up into just 2 halves vertically. The second one is the smaller one, so I am going to keep it little longer. That's it. All the veggies are done chopping. It's time to cook our bokchoy mushroom fry. So let's go. In a wok, let's add 2 cups of water and bring it to boil. When the water gets to simmer, add bokchoy pieces to it. Stems are harder and takes longer time to cook as compared to the leaves, so it will go to the boiling water first. Blanch it for 3 minutes with the lid closed to make it little tender. After 3 minutes, add the remaining chopped bokchoy leaves to the wok and blanch together with the stem pieces for another 2 minutes, but not more than that. It should not be overcooked. The stem have to still maintain its crunchiness and tenderness at the same time, and the leaf its green color. After 2 minutes, let's scoop out these pieces immediately and let it cool down under running water. This way, the green color and crunchiness of cabbage will be maintained. Keep it aside after water has been drained out completely. To start with our cooking, add vegetable oil in a preheated wok, the same one which I have been using. One thing to be taken care of is cooking should be done at high flame very fastly and should not take more than 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure you rinse the inner surface of the wok with hot oil so that the veggies doesn't stick to it and promote better cooking. When the oil gets heated up, add chopped mushrooms. And saute it until it turns golden brown, as mushroom needs to be cooked properly. We can see the mushrooms changing color to golden brown. At this point, make some space for the incoming ingredients at the center and start adding chopped garlic and ginger one by one and give it a good mix. And here goes chopped onion leaves and bulbs. Which will be followed by chopped green chillies. For this recipe, I am not going to use oyster sauce, which is one of the important ingredients and flavor enhancer. Instead, I will be using green chilies and a pinch of normal sugar to compensate the flavor. Trust me, this combo really works. A gentle reminder, all the steps need to be proceeding very fastly at high flame only, with constant stirring and tossing to avoid unwanted burning. Here I am adding salt and pepper as per taste. Following this, add soya sauce to it. Toss it occasionally for uniform mixing. The flavor of soya sauce has to get inside the mushrooms and other veggies. Now let's make a corn flour slurry. So take 2 tablespoons corn flour in a bowl and add 2 tablespoons water and a 1/4 teaspoon sugar to it. Mix it until they are well combined. Then transfer it to the wok to give a little moisture. It should not be too dry. If you want more gravy, you can add more water to it. Now let's add the steamed bok choy pieces to it. The rich umami flavor of the mushroom, that is the special meaty taste, and the crunchy and crisp texture of bok choy will mix together to give a divine and flavorful taste to the cuisine. Finally, add 1 tablespoon sesame seed to give the finishing touch and we are done. So friends, do try making this delicious recipe at home whenever you come across bok choy at market. They are available in plenty this winter season. That's all for today. See you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.